Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. Look what I've got. Another robot. I spotted this the other day in the same charity shop. Didn't even bother to look closely at it because I assumed it would be too expensive. Happened to be back in the same charity shop today and I did look at it. And it was only £1.12. They were having a bit of a sale. So I bought it and I'm really pleased because it's remote controlled, the remote works, he is a bit loud. He's got this sort of display that goes around on the front here. Not quite sure, looks like it's actually a bit of plastic or something with pictures on it going round and round. Flashing lights, he walks, he talks and he shoots. So let's see what we can do. I can turn his head. I can make him turn left and right. And we can make him walk forwards or slide forwards. So I'll go for slide first, which means the legs don't move, they just, the wheels on the bottom turn. And backwards. Or if we go for walk instead, let's turn, walk, quite a lot of nice detail on him as well. I'll have a look in a minute, see who he's made by, but we'll just turn him right back to us. Okay. We'll go out the way a bit. Right, let's see if we can shoot at the camera. Let's turn his head a bit. A bit too far. That looks about right. That should shoot across the front of the camera. So that's this button to shoot. The only thing is I don't know how to stop it shooting. Just press it again and he stops shooting. Yeah, that's quite effective. Let's turn him round again. No, not that way. Yeah, we'll shoot at the window instead. That's quite fun, isn't it? Well, I'm enjoying it anyway. Turn back this way now. Back a bit. And walk forwards. He's absolutely brilliant. Have a look in my playlist, there's a few other robots in there of various types. Let's just have a look, see if we can see who he's made by. Oh, there's a button on the front.
Hello, my little friends. I am Superman number 1. I have strong power. I can walk. I can blast missiles. I can dance with you. And also, I can go for a walk with you. You are my little master now. Request instructions.
Right, so that was the startup mode. I'll just turn him off and have a look. It just says year toy. Anything else written anywhere? Made in China. It's got ZGMF-X intelligent. That's all that's written on it. Yeah, don't see any manufacturer's details on there at all. Nothing on the handset either. Oh, I turned it off, didn't I? Yeah. It doesn't do anything until you've actually pressed that button and he goes through his startup mode.
Hello, my little friends. I am Superman number 1. I have strong power. I can walk. I can dance with you. And also, I can go for a walk with you. You are my little master now. Request instructions.
It does look like none of these have any effect until he's gone through that startup. Let's try the dance button. I didn't try that just now.
Little master, let's dance together. I am very happy today. Little master, shall we do that again?
Let's just go dance one more time, see if it does the same thing again.
What a joy, little master. Let's dance together. Little master. What a happy day, little master. Let's go for a walk.
Just see if he's got any more dance moves.
Little master, let's dance together.
probably had enough, haven't I? I'm enjoying this, but yeah, that's a long enough video. It works. It cost me £1.12 in a charity shop. I haven't even had to put batteries in it. I reckon that's one of my best purchases. Brilliant.
What a joy, little master. Let's dance together.
That'll do. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.